dia bukan seseorang yang romantis yang
For me, first time I was also scared because the online and real life might be different.
Okay, my name is Ratna Sari. I am from Indonesia.
My name is Usman Hamid. I'm from Pakistan, but I live in China.
Kita ketemu di MUS, di aplikasi MUS pada tanggal 8 April 2023. Kita nikah pada tanggal 6 Mei 2025. I'm looking for from my partner is peace and happiness.
I was looking for someone who is serious in relationship and not too much difficult, simple and similar interests.
Banyak aplikasi yang saya update, yang saya install sebelumnya. Saya sudah mencoba berbagai aplikasi, namun pada akhirnya ada teman saya yang merekomendasikan Muz pada saat itu, dan saya mencobanya. Dan saya juga sebelumnya bertemu seseorang di Muz, namun pada akhirnya saya ketemu suami saya.
For me, I live in China, so it's not easy to find someone who is similar interests. Also, my parents, they try to find some people nearby, but it doesn't work well like we want. So I think about we can use technology nowadays. So I use Moose, and I can see many girls. In the beginning, I find some people who are similar like I want. I add Ratnasari and few more, but her profile was more similar to my interest because she also looking for serious partnership. We both like traveling. We both have some similar interests. So that's why I find interest in her. We think about to meet each other. Then later we meet each other.
Dia bukan seseorang yang romantis yang seperti orang-orang pada saat pertama kali ketemu, kissing, hugging, or something, give the flower. But I know, because I'm Muslim, I cannot touch each other. So when we meet each other in the first time, I just looking at his face, and it's fine, it's okay, it's the real man.
For me, first time I was also scared because the online and real life might be different. Sometimes the people I see online, but real life was different. But luckily, when I meet her, first time saw her, it was almost same. I saw her pictures, and everything I think nice. She's nice girl. We spent good time. We play some places around, and it was very nice meet up first time.
Culture, budaya, ya tentunya berbeda, namun itu adalah resiko pada saat saya memilih dia, dan saya harus beradaptasi untuk hal itu. Jadi everything is fine for me.
So the culture, I think few things always will be different. Even I find same partner, same country. So we already discussed few things that might be different, and we cooperating each other's. Few things she cooperating, few things I'm cooperating. And other things I think not too much difficult. Even my parents, they are not difficult for me. They are easy. Whatever I like, I want to marry, they support me.
Yang saya suka dari biodata dia, pertama yang saya lihat pada saat itu pendidikan, face, muka, kemudian pekerjaan. I think if it's match for me, it's good. And then she also like a traveling. Jadi saya juga suka untuk hal itu. Hobinya juga sama. Dia juga sekolahnya lumayan tinggi dari saya. Jadi saya suka dia.
I also mainly look age and also hobbies. She's also interested in traveling and not too many requirements by her. So this make me like her.
Picture or the bio?
I even add some people wearing niqab. So I don't look by the face. I want to look by the character. So characteristics, I like most of the things.
Jodoh itu harus dicari. Banyak orang yang bilang jodoh itu akan datang dengan sendirinya. Tapi kalau kita tidak mencari, ya mau sampai kapan dia datang? Jadi bersabarlah dan terus berusaha untuk mencari partner yang sesuai dengan yang kalian mau.
I think they can keep doing it, they can keep trying, do not lose hope. Also make it simple. If they will make it complicated, many requirements, so it will not work.